logic is that we will divide it into three parts. First you have to divide the array into sorted and unsorted. Then you have to take the first element of unsorted array and compare and accordingly place the element at the correct order. You have to repeat until the unsorted array becomes sorted. So now here we are taking input 3, 2 and 1. So we are dividing sorted and unsorted. And unsorted there is 3, 2, 1. Then we are selecting first element from unsorted, which is 3, and we are putting it in sorted one. Now the unsorted one becomes like 2, 1. So we will again take the first element and again check it with 3, as it is smaller than 3. So we will place 2 first and then 3, and accordingly the result will be out as 1, 2 and 3, which is in a sorted order. So I have provided you the code. Just go through it, and you have any problem then you can ask in the comment section.